just spotted a Targa 84 Mazda RX7 with rotor style wheels. They're so cute and stylish. Check out the Targa back.
Original engine, nothing's been touched on the engine. Wow.
It's so retro looking. I really love it. It's so sporty and chic. Look at the sunroof, guys. You know I love that. Plastic interior with that like velours. I kind of like that it's in black as the pop-up headlights. So cute. I love that. Wait, guys, is he the RX7 King? It's so windy. Oh my god. I just want you guys to take a quick look between the louvers. It's like quilted red leather with the speakers. Oh, it looks like a lot of speakers. Oh my god, this is done so nicely.
This was my father's car. When I turned 16, I took it, and I've been, it got me 63,000 miles.
Yeah, this is so cool though. I like the way it was done.
Got them from Japan.
Really? That's so cool.
Got a whole white body kit on it.
Probably my favorite one I've seen yet.